Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. Today I would like to take this opportunity to use my channel as a platform to reach out to my family, friends and the victims of the snowstorm in the USA, especially persons who are living in Texas. My heart goes out to those who are affected at this time, given the difficulties that they are facing, having to be without heat, water, electricity, food, and other basic essentials of life. How prepared can one be for a disaster? My heartfelt condolences to the family of persons who have lost their lives. May their souls rest in peace. I hope that Texas and other affected states will regain normalcy as soon as possible. In the meantime, hang in there and stay safe. I am praying for you and God is with you. Special thanks to my subscriber who provided me with these video clips. Keep safe and God bless you. Continue watching for some facts from the news. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Bye bye. Mwah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.